welcome to the aquatic wood factory, which is the one of two factories Thanh Tung Thinh company listed. With 11 years of experience, Thanh Tung Thinh is one of the leading manufacturers in Vietnam, specializing in producing, exporting natural driftwood, bonsai driftwood, bed and bird products, coffee wood. We have contributed to the success 150 businesses with 5 million products sold. To meet the needs of customers ordering in large quantities, we have on two factories with a scale of more than 1,000 square meters with 50 skilled artisans. In addition to driftwood products, we also supply another product for beds and birds from coffee wood. This is place stand. Another product is small. Okay. It's hideout for reptiles from coffee wood. Here you see it's very soft, smooth. The sound is very nice, right? The advantage of being a manufacturer in Vietnam, we have an abundant and diverse supply of driftwood. So today I would like to show you guys some types of driftwood. So follow me. This is one kind of our driftwood. Can you see it? It's very strong. Okay, so this is another product. It's very light because we write very carefully. Okay. Another kind of driftwood. It's very popular in the world. Can you hear it? So follow me. Oh, this is very popular and only appear in Vietnam. And you see the design is very unique. Yeah. This small. Okay. Let's go for another. Oh, this is the wood. Can you see? Oh, the design is very unique, and it's the best selling of our product in many markets, so the US, UK, Korea, Germany, and Japan, and so on. Oh, you can see many products inside. Another product. This is fine. Oh, the design is very unique. Can you see it? It's very long. Okay. There are just some type of our driftwood. If you want to see full of brand products, please contact us via this WhatsApp. +83 +84 +84 963 949 178. Oh, that's more closer. Can you see? This is made by from coffee wood. This is birch for parrots. Oh, it's very large. So, oh, another made by coffee wood. This is hideout for reptiles. It's very smooth, light and not light, and very hard. Okay, so move on. Besides 13 types of natural driftwood, we also supply 140 designs of bonsai driftwood with a variety of size and shapes, small, medium, and large. Bonsai driftwood is a masterpiece of art, handcrafted by skilled artisans to create exquisite and exclusive driftwood piece resembling a bonsai tree. To get more closer,